Okay guys, I am at the Mylo Santa Clara apartment complex, and it's 3710 El Camino Real in Santa Clara, California. It's in a very nice area of Santa Clara, California. This is the leasing office for Mylo, Santa Clara. Mylo Santa Clara Apartments is situated located on Main Strip, right across the street. You can catch public transportation. You also have the highway right adjacent over there. 10 to 15 minutes from downtown Santa Clara.
We're going to tour the apartment, and if you're enjoying this video, make sure to give us a like to help with the algorithm. Apartment number 3626, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath flat. As you walk in, to the right is the fully equipped kitchen. Have the dishwasher, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, the microwave, electric stove, and refrigerator. A open floor plan with sight lines directly to the living room. To the left, we're going to view the secondary bathroom and bedroom first. Standard 3-piece washroom. There is continuity with the quartz countertops. It's carried into the bathroom. There's the commode shower tub combo. Right off from the bathroom is the closet, which is a good size. There's space to hang and enough room for folded items as well. Then you can walk directly to the second bedroom, and we see there's two twin beds, dressers, and some lamps. From the French balcony gives us a view of one of the 6 courtyards within the community. The building has over 200 units across 6 floors. There is also a rooftop deck, pool, club room, fitness center. There are several social seating options near the grill, picnic table, or around the outdoor fireplace. The landscaping is pretty and the grounds are well kept. There is also a playground. This is a pet-friendly community with a dog park and pet washing area. Also, Mylo has e-charging stations, movie watching, and co-working spaces. Okay, we're back in the kitchen. A better look at the living room and the hardwood style vinyl flooring. In the primary or master bedroom, behind the blinds, there's an identical French balcony. In this section of the video, you can get a better glimpse at the carpet in the bedrooms, closet, and the hall leading to the bath. Here in the master closet, it is a bit larger than the secondary bedroom closet, but similar hanging and folding spaces. Lastly, the master bathroom with double sinks, the shower tub combo and commode, also some shelving as well. That ends the apartment walkthrough. If you made it this far into the video, thank you all for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already for more Stamp Chaser updates, and hit that like and notification bell and be notified once we post our upcoming travel content. Stay safe, peace, and blessings, Stamp Chasers.